5 steps to a cybersecurity career you need to know. Build a solid understanding of cybersecurity fundamentals through education and certifications. Nugget 2. Gain practical experience. Hands-on experience is crucial. Look for internships, volunteer opportunities, or personal projects. Nugget 3. Network effectively. Building relationships within the cybersecurity community can open doors to new opportunities. Nugget 4. Continuous learning. The cybersecurity landscape is constantly evolving, so stay updated on the latest trends and technologies. Nugget 5. Develop essential soft skills. Communication, problem solving, and teamwork are just as important as technical skills.